Well, most of the places here in Europe, they don't use plastic anymore. So when you go to a bakery or to a restaurant, any place to order food, they offer you like these cutleries of looks like wood, or this is like recycled. So yeah, it's different. It's difficult to eat that actually. And here is a very like popular place for locals. A lot of people just come here, take food and go out. It was a very nice experience there, and it was great. I found what I was looking for. It's like a bread with like strawberry jelly inside. It was delicious. Yeah. It's in some places it takes some time until you get used to the place and to the people and to the language. And I'm always happier when I eat something. I was so hungry and a little weak, but this place was great. So where am I going to? Let's go to the Palace of Culture and Science. This is a nice country as well, guys. I make some comparisons to other countries, but this is my personal experience. It doesn't mean one country is better than the other. It's just my personal experience. So in some countries, like Belarus, nobody gives nothing for Belarus. People normally say a lot of bad things about there, but I had a very nice experience. So I think it's all experiences in the end that count. Alright, let's go in the park. European cities, they're very bicycle friendly. They have spaces for the bikes. This is really amazing. And it's great for walking. The European territory in general is very flat. So it's super easy for walking. I love it. In Brazil, oh gosh, it's hard. We have a lot of hills. Wow, that's a very nice dog. Look at the eyes of him. Alright, let's try to cross together. The ladies. Flowers. Let's check this place. What is this place? Looks like these main places of the bikes here. And it's a very old place here. Interesting. There, I think this is like a market. Yes, this is like a market. Wow, it's really cool. I wasn't expecting it here. It's nice. They have some traditions. Nice, very nice place. So this is Hala George supermarket here. Zabka. I've seen it everywhere, in every corner I go. They're so peaceful. I really like it. Looks like this is the Jewish quarter. A lot of things written in Hebrew here. Yeah, this is the Jewish community. We have like many explanations here. This is nice. And there we have Norway, the palace of culture and science. Oh, even here they sell hygiene products, toothpaste, and even perfumes. Well, they sell magazines, newsletters, probably, and hygiene products in this kiosk. Nice. So there is an app for both scooters, both like for like an Uber, and both for both food as well. And there we are, Palace of Science, Culture and Science. Let's cross here. This part's very nice. There are so many big buildings. This is like the financial part of the city. We have a lot of shopping centers here.